Just sailed from Catalina, sailed like the whole way, about 25 miles, coming into Newport Harbor, where Captain Daryl has given me an empty slip to sneak into, so we'll see how she goes. These things are so bad at swimming. I really don't know if it's dead or alive. You look dead, buddy. It looks like he's swimming along. Little sunfish. Caught my first fishing pole fish of the trip. All right, buddy. Calico bass or kelp bass or something. I don't know if I should keep him though. He's kind of tiny. Maybe I'll set him free. See ya. Well, this is the third one I caught, and I decided, fuck it, I'll get some little fillets off them. Went pretty well. One actually has a fairly good amount of meat. Put them in a bag with some soy sauce and mustard, and then I'll paddle to the beach where I saw there's like, somebody left wood and some grills and stuff and made a little stone fire pit, so we'll go fire it up over on the beach. Gonna go make dinner on land. That should be fun. So these are the little campsites on the beach. There's like 3 of them. Catalina calls them boat in camping. So there's one here and then 2 more down there, and they're just little flat spots with fire pits and a place to put a tent. There's my boat over there, and I reckon this is where I'll cook the fish. Leaving Catalina now on the home stretch for King Harbor. Last night before going back home to Marina del Rey. Last night was my last island anchorage and last anchorage, and I'll be to King's Harbor in about 5-6 hours, hopefully. That's part of the day. So there's Redondo. I think I'm actually gonna skip it and just head straight home. Dockmaster said I'm good to move in. So we're flying to Marina Del Rey. Man, it's been blowing just consistently, like, I don't know, 13 knots all day. It's been perfect. Coming back into Marina Del Rey 2 months ago. Left out the north entrance. Now we're turning through the south entrance. Through one great big fuck off loop. Pretty good. Old MDR. Just lovely.